Hi, Joanne Wilson here, and I want to show you quickly how to update plugins. Once you've logged into your WordPress dashboard, you'll see some notifications about updates on the side here. And down below the update notification, you'll see where those updates need to happen in your plugins. So just click on your plugins link in the left panel. Once that loads, the plugins that need to be updated will have a notification right here. It says there's a new version available. It's really easy to update your plugins. All you have to do is click this little link that says Update Now. You'll see that the plugin is being updated and it's done, updated. Some plugins, based on their size, take longer. Another one that needs to be updated. And as you can see, this one is taking a bit longer than the other one. It's a much larger plugin and there's more to it, therefore it's going to take quite a bit longer. There you have it, it's done. You can dismiss this notice because we've already updated it. Back to our dashboard. And we're ready to start working again.